guys, what's up? I am back with another interesting video for you guys, which is the part 2 of tables. So let's go. Before I continue, please consider subscribe and like my video. If you're new to my YouTube channel, again, please subscribe and like. It supports me and it encourages me to create more interesting videos for you guys like this one. So let's get started. How to create a table in HTML part 2. So we're going to be actually testing it out on our document over here. Exclamation sign and press enter, and over here we're gonna put a table, and over here I think we should put a table element. So if you type just table and if you press enter, it's gonna generate it for us. And if you do that, and then we're gonna put a th element over here. Once we have done that, we're gonna put here name, gender. So yep. And yeah. Oh, we forgot to put the tr element. If you put tr over here above the th element, and if you copy that and remove that from up and paste it over here. Okay, now what we want is the table. Now another element, which is td. Okay, so what we're going to be putting is we're going to put in a td element now. Okay, so it's actually going to be underneath the name and gender. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I mean. Okay, what exactly I mean. So if we do here over here td, and if I put over here, I don't know, the name should be, I don't really know, but I'm just gonna put John over here. Once we have done that, we're gonna come here, we're gonna do td, and we're gonna put the gender male. Yeah, press Ctrl S. And we can't open it with live server now because we haven't actually created a folder for this particular file. So we have just created over here. We haven't just, we just haven't created a folder for it. So we can't open it with live server, because if we do that, open with live server, it says you haven't added any folder in the workspace. So yeah. What we could do then is we could locate to our file explorer, and in the recent files below that we can find tables.html, and if I just cross it out, and there we go. Now of course we haven't added any CSS in here, so it's not gonna actually look good, but when we're gonna learn CSS we're gonna actually edit this. Okay, so but the specific thing is we have added name John. Okay, it's coming below John, okay, in a row or column I should say. Gender male. Alright, if we keep going with that, so if I do over here, I don't know, th, and what should we ask now? I think we should ask I don't know, email. Okay, and then we're gonna come over here and we're gonna do another td element. Once we have done that, we're gonna put over here your email. So I'm just gonna put example. So here we got it, and if we press Ctrl S, yes, it's gonna give us the result which we want. Okay, there we got it. Okay, if I come over here, and if we add another thing, okay, if we put here DH, let's just put games. Okay, so if you put here games, if you come there, TD, and if you do PlayStation 4, like you play PlayStation 4, okay, PS4, I don't know. You can put anything you want, okay, it's up to you totally what you want to put in TH and what you want to put in TD. It's totally up to you. You don't have to just copy all of that, but you have to copy these elements. DH, these are important, okay? But you could put anything in the name, so you can put, I don't know, you can put anything, okay? If you come back, and if you refresh, it says games PS4. Okay, it's looking a bit messy, but when we are going to learn CSS, we are going to actually style it up, okay? Right now we're just focusing on how to do HTML, okay? We're not adding any CSS right now in here. When we will add CSS in here, it's gonna look something like this. Let me show you. So if I come over here and if I search HTML tables, And over here, and here, as you can see, is a table. Where can I find the perfect example from? Oh, there we got it. Okay, so here, as you can see, it says age, Chris, like that one. Okay, because they have added CSS in there. Let me show you where I can find that for you. Okay, so here's a TD element. Where's the CSS in there? Let me just find it for you guys. What I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna put the link of this website in the description box and you can check it out, okay? But we are not adding any CSS right now, so it's gonna look a bit ugly like this. But when you're gonna add CSS, it's gonna be actually arranged for you. We're gonna actually add some CSS, styling, background color, padding, and everything like that, okay? So yeah, that's it for this particular video. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.